Okay. Good evening to all the students. Okay, teacher Ramesh here again. Okay, today's lesson is about unit 10, ratio and proportion. In this episode, so we're going to see one of the question, the common question that will ask in this topic. Okay, it's in the UPSR. Okay, so when you look at the question number one here, so I have two methods I want to solve these type of questions. Okay, we have two methods we can use to solve this type of the question. Okay, so we have read the question first. There are 76,450 residents in Pradana village. The ratio of the number of female residents to the number of female residents is 3 ratio to 3 ratio 2. So 3 ratio 2. So please remember this 3 ratio 2. So we have two methods here. Actually, we can solve this question. Okay, I'll start with the first method. What do you do? You may write here method one. So I'll show you the method one. So what you're going to do here is the first thing is okay, female, right? So look at this female and then male. So female actually represent for 3 and male represent for 2. So what are you going to do? 3 we take as a 3 parts, okay, or 3 portion, 3p, okay, you plus with 2p. It means what? So 3 actually represent for the male, and the p and the 2 here represent for female. So we have the total equal to 5 parts. Okay, we have to find one part or one portion is how much. We will have to find the p. The p represents how much. Then only we already know the female. Two parts. When you know the one part, then you easily can calculate for the two parts. Okay. So 5p is equal to the total number of residents here. So how much is it? 7, 6, 4, 5, 0. So p equal to, what are you going to do? You have to divide. Get divided by 5. So p is equal to how much? You will get 1, 5, 2, 9, 0. This is actually represent for one part. One part is equal to 1p is equal to 15,290. So now we're going to find for the female. So female represent for 2 portion. So female equal to 2p. So 2 parts. Okay, it's 2 parts actually. Okay, so 2 part equal to 1 part is equal to this much. So 2 times by 1, 5, 2, 9, 0. So it's equal to, you're going to get this much, 30,580. It's the first method that you can do to find the answer. Okay, the second method is, I'll try to drop it here, so I'll try to do some more here. Not enough space. Okay, so the second method is like for the female, right? A female. You already know female is 2 parts. 2 over from the total. From the total. From a total means 3 plus 2, because we take actually 3 and 2 came from the total residence. These two actually came from the total residence, but then the total residence got what? So male, female, and also male. So that's why from here only the separate, make it 3 ratio, sorry, 2 ratio 3. So you must plus here total. So 3 plus 2. So it's equal to 2 over 5 times by from the total residence. Total residence how much? 7, 6, 4, 5, 0. So once you calculate this times or divide first and then times by 2. So you'll get the same exactly 5, 0. This is for the female. Okay, this is one of the very simple example that you can follow. Either you can follow the first method or the second method, up to you which one is more convenient for you. Okay, if any question based on this, you can text me. Okay, so I hope you can understand the both method. You can use either one. Not necessarily must use two methods. You just use one method. It's already good enough. Okay, so now the second one is 1/5 of the female, sorry, 1/5 of male residents. Residents here are senior citizen. Calculate the number of the male residents who are not a senior residents. Okay, the first thing is here you have to find how much total number of male. So how are you going to find the male here? So look at this. The first one, these are total residents. Okay, 76456 total, and the females already this much. So you have minus from here, then you already know how much the male. So I put a male. Okay, and then you take the total 76450. You have to minus with the females. So 30,580. So you will get how much? You will get this much. You'll get 45,870. This is only for male. But here the question is they already mentioned the fraction form. So when they say in the fraction form, so we have another method. I'll tell you the very simple way how to going to do this question. Wait, just 1 minute. I'll just draw some boxes here. Then I'll let you know how to do this question. Take like box like this. I showed you in the bar model method. It's actually quite easy. The easiest method you can understand the concept. Add here some boxes. 5 boxes. I'll just put 5 boxes. So I will keep them here. So, okay. So okay. So let's say here. Okay, look at this. There are 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Why I put it 5? Because when you look at here, the fraction here, right? The fraction say 1/5. It means from 5, they take one portion. From the 5, they take one portion. So you must write it here 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. Okay, so each boxes you must write 1/5. If let's say they say 1/3 means you draw the boxes until 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. So this is the way you're going to write. Okay, so you must write in this way. Okay, this is the right way you want to write the fraction form. Okay, let's say they say 1/5 male residents. Male residents are senior citizens. So only one portion here is a senior residents. So what happened to the balance here? Must be not. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4/5 is a not senior residents, a senior citizen. Senior citizen. But the question is, they're not asking the fraction, they're asking the number. So what are you going to do? You already know, right? This actually total is must be 5/5. So we're only going to find for this much. Okay, so what are you going to do? 4/5 times by the total male citizens or male male citizens here or male residents here. So we must times by 4, 5, 8, 7, 0. So once you solve this, you will get 3, 6, 6, 5, 6 residents. Okay, this should be our answer. So please make sure you try to draw this kind of what you call bar model. Okay, we call this as a bar model. Bar model. So when you do this kind of method, you easily can identify how much the balance, how much they got, how much left over. So we easily can identify, we easily can see. Okay, so this is one of the best method. When you use this method, you easily can find the answer in easiest way. Okay, so that's all for today. So I hope, teacher hope, understood little bit the concept the teacher teach you. Please replay the same video and try to understand. If you still have any question, means please leave your comment in WhatsApp, sorry, in Facebook. I will reply for you. Okay, have a nice day and thank you.